Hello, I am Piyush Chaunsali, faculty in the group of Building Technology and Construction Management in the Department of Civil Engineering. It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Aritra Pal, who is the newest member of our group. Just to begin, I would like to know what are your current areas of research and what are the future directions you would like to pursue?
Yeah, thank you, Piyush. And yeah, as Piyush introduced me, I'm Aritra Pal. I joined recently in BTCM group, and my focus of research will be in the construction automation area, mostly application of digital technologies for bringing sustainability. And definitely, as we see that there is a huge thrust of application of digital technologies and artificial intelligence in construction to bring sustainable future and like bringing it more useful and more user-oriented application of construction technologies for the construction professionals. And I would like to continue research in this direction.
Thanks. As you know, we have the Center for Technologies for Low Carbon and Lean Construction. If you can elaborate a little bit more how your research can contribute to this area, to be specific.
Yeah, basically I'm fortunate to be associated with these technologies for lean construction and technologies for low carbon and lean construction. And definitely we know that climate change is real, and we really need to think about how can we bring a sustainable future to our future generation. And as we know, the construction is one of the area where we have lot of carbon emission and lot of process waste that can be optimized to improve the construction industry as such. And as you see, like my background is mostly from the construction management, and where we see a lot of process wastes happen. And what I mean by process waste means we can see that the construction projects are often delayed, and there are cost overruns, there are quality issues. And through these digital technologies, which can actually reduce the human intervention in some of the processes, and by doing that you can actually optimize the entire process. And while optimizing the process, we can actually improve the efficiency, that is cost efficiency and time efficiency of the construction, and it can actually reduce those overrun and delays. And by doing that, actually we can reduce the money, and it's also a resource, and which will actually bring us more sustainable construction output that we are expecting to have in the near future. So my research will actually focus on those areas, application of digital technologies for bringing sustainable future in the construction industry.
Also, as we know that India is going through this development phase, lot of construction is happening. How positioned we are in terms of research, to implement these new technologies in our construction sector, and what kind of challenges do you foresee?
So definitely, as we are seeing this, there is a thrust of technology in every sector, not only in construction, and there is some advantage that with this thrust in the construction industry is also progressing faster. But as we see that the construction industry is lowest in the ranking of technology adoption. So what we need to do, we need to make people understand that technology is not something that will take them from their job, but definitely that will help them to improve the processes and improve the industry better. And I think we need to, at this moment, we need to reach out to the people, we need to take people into account and their thought processes into account, and we need to make our changes more aligned to the industry, how they are performing as of now, and slowly we need to understand their processes, and slowly we also make them understand that this processes will help them in the near future, and definitely it will give them more advantages in terms of profitability and social benefit in terms of overall growth of the country and also in the industry. So definitely that will be helpful.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.